Yo, what's good, dude? I know it's been a minute. I know I'm not posting a lot of content lately, but hey, I got a lot of stuff going on right now. And if I could, I would, bro. If I could, I would. But I just haven't had the time. You will understand here soon why I haven't had time, but it just hasn't been there. So I appreciate you guys being patient with me, supporting the videos that I am posting. But yeah, man. So we're doing a major rebuild right now on a Toto toilet. And you know, I think it's important anytime you're swapping stuff out, if you have the ability to put in the brand materials, you know, throw in the brand materials. Obviously, there are times where, you know, it is what it is. You're throwing in a Fluid Master on a Kohler, whatever. But if you have the ability to put the brand in with the brand, do it, bro. Do it. As you can see right here, we got a Toto handle. We got a Toto flush valve, a Toto fill valve. We got it hooked up. We got the water pumping and we're flushing good, bro.